Hi, I'm Ashley from Panduit, and I'd like to tell you about 3 innovative PanelMax wiring duct products designed to optimize space utilization within control panels. First, Rail Duct saves panel footprint by integrating 2 pieces of wiring duct together, while also having the ability to mount the DIN rail on top. Benefits typically provide a reduction in panel footprint dimensions of approximately 30% by using enclosure depth. Second, corner duct utilizes typically underutilized panel space, such as corners to run wires and cables. Benefits typically provide a reduction in panel footprint dimensions of approximately 20%. Finally, Shielded Duct, a foil-wrapped duct, significantly reduces the effects of electromagnetic interference, also known as EMI, by reducing the need for a 6-inch air gap between electrical and network wire pathways. Benefits typically provide a reduction in panel footprint dimensions of approximately 20%. Please visit www.panduit.com/wiring duct or contact your distributor for more information.